Hello friends, today we are continuing Winter Wonderland. We are painting with acrylics. This is one sketch of Santa and I make this sketch on part of the laminate floor. So my husband cut me this because we have some spare laminate floors and I decided to paint with that because we have just 2 or 3 boards. So I put primer on it, and this primer is not real primer. It is, you know that I'm always saving money. This is not real primer. This is just paint for outside walls, white paint, and it must be for outside walls because it's better. I don't know. So here are some trees, and here is our Santa, and here everything which is like this, it will be like shadows. And I'm deciding to finish these paints, so I will try to make brown from from black and yellow, and here I have some brown, but this brown is it's not so dark, and here I have red for his hat and coat, and here I also have some, I don't know, is this yellow? What is this? This is yellow. So I will make my own. And I have this one. This one is pretty good. And I have also white, this glittery. So I was thinking maybe put here and there on the snow, like, you know how snow looks, like glittery when it's sun and that. So first I want to use this, and we will color here in the middle. I need to mix, for example, this brown and this yellow, which I used a minute ago. And what else? Maybe a drop of black. I just watched today this French commercial from their stores, chain of stores. I forget how it's called, but they make a so beautiful commercial, and everyone are so happy because they use real artists and pay men or people, I don't know who is artist, to make this little cartoon like a movie. It is so cute. People are stunned and they love it. Everyone is so happy. So I will leave the link in the description if you want to see. This commercial is so beautiful and artistically made, like real little movie. So cute. So that is that. So here is I don't know, like trees or something. And now I need like I will put more black and a little bit white. because I want this to be like grayish, and I want to blend this everything together like this. Then what did I say? White and black, because I need the gray, a little bit of gray. Or we can put this with spatula. So now we need a darker brown, so I will add more black. And more yellow. Something like this. We need to paint our Santa's head. So now I need the red, and I think that I will take this red from here. Now we need more white, but first I want to make some shadows on. Okay, later we will add a little bit more black. And now, guys, believe it or not, I want to add this shimmer. So this came up like something semi-abstract. I don't know. Do you like it? I think it is interesting. And I need to sign, but it is still wet, so I will sign it later. And then we are finished. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.